because we're going to get into our DGP. All right, DGP Tuesday. First thing that we need to find is our simple subject. What did we have? What do you got? No, I'm asking about the simple subject. That's what I'm asking you. Who is the simple subject?
The word who.
Not the band?
There's a band name Who?
Yeah, they're called The Who. Yeah, who is the simple subject? I know that might seem odd, but who is the simple subject? Because we're trying to find out who it is. Okay, so who is the simple subject? We don't know that yet. Why do you say that's a complete subject?
Because the verb, everything that has it is part of the complete predicate because right after it is the verb.
Okay, right after is the verb. Is there anything that modifies who?
No.
Is there anything that makes it more specific?
No.
So, like, who is there? No, that wouldn't work either. So, no, there is nothing that modifies it. You're right. It is our complete subject, single underline. I know you can't see it just yet until I move the box and this box. Okay, so who is our simple subject? And it is our complete subject. Because we're trying to find out who it is. All right, glad that makes sense, Jacob. What's our verb? Mercedes is raising her hand, and here's old Maverick just jumping in. You're right, though. Likes is our verb. Is it VI or VT? What do they like? Yeah, so the direct object is actually to lie under the stars on a clear night. It's that whole phrase. Okay? So, likes is our verb. It is VT. And then, what's our complete predicate then? Jackie, is your phone up on your computer screen by any chance? You sure? You're up to something. You're just being a turd today. That or you're that engaged and entertained by the DGP, which well, I don't know. Maybe she likes to lie under the stars as well, and that's what she's thinking about. So I need to stop being harsh on her. Okay. So complete predicate is likes to lie under the stars on a clear night. All right, so now we're into one of our prepositional phrases. What do you got, Connie? Stars and nights are both objects of the preposition? Okay. You're not wrong. But what are our prepositions? Someone give me one of them. Under the stars is one of our prepositional phrases. And then on clear nights. You are correct. Jacob, you still with us? This keeps giving me notifications to allow stuff, so I just want to make sure it hasn't bumped you. All right. So what type of prepositional phrases are they? Do they modify an adjective or do they modify a verb?
A verb.
They do both modify a verb. We know what they like to do. So they are both adverb prepositional phrases. Okay. So we have both of our prep phrases.
What about it says when imperative?
Well, if you is infinitive phrase. Yep. So we have one infinitive phrase. You're close because you forgot the infinitive. What is the infinitive again? What does it have to have in it?
To lie under the stars on a clear night.
Correct. So from to lie all the way to clear nights, another set of parentheses, that entire thing is our infinitive phrase. Okay. Now, I know that's a lot to cover, but if you look down to Friday, notice that subject, verb, right? Still follows that same clause line. First box here is our subject. First box is our subject. The second box is always going to be our verb. And then the whole phrase becomes our direct object. The whole phrase, to lie under the stars on clear nights, becomes our entire direct object. Okay? Just as a hint for Friday, I will have Friday recorded for you as well because it can get kind of messy and jumbly. Okay, so any questions about DGP Tuesday? I'm sure Jacob's good to go.